Welcome to Mystic Chambers Week 7 updates. 13 more weeks to go. Uh, Here are the additions and changes for this week. Alan did help button and panel, as well as he also added the skip to gameplay hotkey. Ashley did a total player buildings and mesh calculation variables for the stats, of course. And Roger McKenna added the soldier sprites, as you can see right there. And I did a building panel, which is work in progress, back production via war building, and I also fixed some UI bugs, and there is the code refactoring. So it's playtime, and let's check out the game. Here's the game. Now if I go to play versus and I play the game, and as you can see now there's the panels, separate panels for the city building, and it's work in progress as I said before. And now there's the stats that are calculated: total player max 0, total player building 6, and yeah, pretty much it. And there's also the uh, yeah, there's a thing missing, which is the help button, which is now integrated inside it. Unfortunately, I removed it because it's work in progress, but Alan added the help button. It was on the top right, but I changed it to be inside the options menu inside the HQ building panel. And there is the let me just show you. Yeah, the war building. And now if I go on inside the attack mech, I can build the mechs. It is also work in progress, and there is no calculation behind it. So if I click, for instance, the by cannon, there's the mech cannon, right? And if I click, for instance, artillery, by support, and by teleport, now I cannot do NL more because all four spaces are occupied, and the mech cannot place on top of buildings. All right. So yeah, that's how it works, and that's how the mech production works with the war building. If I go back to HQ building stats, you can see that total player mechs are 4, which means that it's calculated dynamically, and that's good. Yeah, it was a bit of slow and busy week for me, especially. And there is the gameplay overview stats, unit pathfinding, enemy movement, AI, unit ranking, the same things. And yeah, the animations for all the units, Zareem, Taja, Guru, character art, and generic soldier face art. Thank you for the contributions and for watching the updates.